Good morning, friends. I welcome you all from behalf of Smart Skill for the session Vedic Maths. We are going to start our video series from today. Now, before we start, let me just quickly brief you what exactly Vedic Maths will help you. First of all, it will help you to improve your speed in calculation. Second, it will help you to solve problems mentally instead of pen, paper or calculator. And third and very important thing, it will help you to crack competitive exams, to improve your performance and to solve maximum problems in given span of time. So let us start. I am your host, I am your coach Amit Rathi, director and founder of Smart Skill, and we will be sharing you 10 videos. Each video will carry 2 tricks, one trick of Wednesday, one of Saturday. So every Saturday we are going to send you the video which will have 2 tricks. So let us begin with our trick number 1. If you remember, on Wednesday we have shared our trick number 1 with you, how to construct any 2-digit table. Now some of you will think that a 2-digit table, it's so simple, but let me tell you, here you can construct table up to starting from 11 to 99 without remembering or without studying any previous or after table. So let us take a quick example. For example, if I want to find out the table of 16, so what I do? It's very simple. The 2 digits in 16 are 1 and 6. So let us write 1 and 6 in this way. Now we will write quickly the table of 1. So 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Similar way, let us write the table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights is 48, 6 nines is 54 and 6 tens is 60. Now what you next step, so this is your first step. You have to take both the digits and you have to write their individual tables as we have mentioned. Next trick, 6 is at units place, so all these digits remain as it is. 1 is at the tens place, so we need to add 1 0 each in this table. So what happens? This 1 will become 10, 2 becomes 20, 3 becomes 30, 4 will become 40, 5 becomes 50 and so on. So 60, 70, 80, 90 and finally 10 will become 100. Now the last and important step, that you just have to add these 2 values. So that becomes 16, 12 plus 20 becomes 32, 18 plus 30 becomes 48, next becomes 64, then becomes 80, 96, 112, 128, 144 and the last one 60 plus 100 becomes 160, and this is your table of 16. So now if you check, 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, 16 threes are 48, 16 fours are 64, 16 fives are 80, 16 sixes is 96, 16 sevens is 112, 16 eights is 128, 16 nines is 144 and 16 tens is 160. Now because I have to explain you, it took so much of time, but once you are familiar, once you practice the problems we have given you, for you no need of doing all this. You can mentally or you can directly come on this step and you can form any 2-digit table. I hope you are enjoying, you understood the trick. Thank you very much. I'll continue with the next trick, so just hold on for a minute. So let's begin with our trick number 2. And the name of the trick is line method, which is also known as the Japanese method of multiplying two two-digit numbers. So let's begin. Let us take a small example. If suppose 12 into 21. If you want to multiply 12 into 21, and if you don't know the tables, need not worry, you are going to enjoy the trick very much. So what we do, our first step is, let's take the first number. The first number is 12. So what you have to do, you have to draw 12. So first digit is 1. So you have to draw one line in this fashion. The next number here is 2. Parallelly, we will draw 2 lines. So now 12 is represented one line and then 2 lines. Let's take the next number from which we are multiplying. It is 21. So 21 first digit is 2. So let us take 2 in such a way. We have to draw 2 lines, and then you have got 1. So you draw another line. Okay. So this is how you have to represent them. Now very simple. Here the number was 12. So this was your first line and this was your second line, right? Similarly, here it was 21. So this is your first line and this is your second digit, so second line. Now we have to mark the holes wherever the intersections are there of the both lines. So you can see these intersections very easily, right? So now this step is very important. After this, now we have to make separate zones. Now how are the zones going to be formed? 1 and 1. So you can see this is the intersection of 1 and 1. So mark one separate zone. 2 and 2. So this is 2, this is 2. So these are the lines. So this would be one zone. So 2 and 2. And the third zone will be combination of 1 and 2 and 2 and 1. Now understand, 1 and 2. So this is the combination of that. 2 and 1. So these are the combination. So this will become your one zone, right? And now very simple, just count them, 1 and 2. So you have to just keep here 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you have to write 5 here, and last this is 2, again 2. So what is your answer? Your answer is that if you multiply 12 into 21, your answer is 252. Now in case, I'll give you a hint, because when you will be practicing, you may come across a situation where instead of 2, if suppose instead of 2, if you get here 12, then what? Then will you write your answer as 2, 5, 1, 2? No. If you write that, it will be wrong. Always remember, if you get a 2-digit number anywhere here, you have to just keep the units place here, and 1 will go carry forward to the next number. So when 1 goes to 5, your answer would become 2. 5 plus 1 is 6 and 2. So your answer will become 262. So this is a hint. If you come across any situation where you have a 2-digit number, always keep the units place there, and the tens place will move to the next number. So it will be addition. I hope both tricks are clear to you. You would definitely enjoy it. In case if you have any problem while practicing the problems we have given you, do reach back to us. We have given you 2 helpline numbers. So all the best. Enjoy your weekend. Thank you very much.